what is the best property strategy for 2023? Well, I can tell you this, it's not going to be the same strategy in 2026. So in a couple of years' time, it won't be what it is right now. And that best strategy right now is find deals directly from motivated sellers. When we think about different types of property strategies, there are just so many different ways to make money from property. You could be flipping a property, you could be doing a lease option on it, you could do a commercial conversion, turn it into HMO, you could be running a service accommodation, you could be turning it into apartments, it could be building new property. There's just so many ways, and I could go on and on. And the challenge is, which do you pick? Which is the right strategy for you? How do you know which is the one that's going to be the best one for you to do? So let me share something else, which I think is much more important than trying to understand which is the right strategy. And that's the ability to be able to find opportunities, find these deals. So it doesn't matter which strategy you pick, you have to have the underlying skill to be able to go out and find these deals. Because when you understand how to find the deals, then whether it's service accommodation you're doing, whether you're doing flipping, whatever it might be, that's the next step. But before that is the ability to find the deals, negotiate them, appraise the deals, make sure the due diligence is done on them correctly, secure the deal and get it to completion. Now, whether you choose to purchase those property yourself, or what I think you should be doing, what the smart investor does, is they're actively out there, they're lead generating, they're finding these opportunities. And you're not going to be stumbling across them every 5 minutes. You're going to have to look at a lot of properties to find the ones that are the best deals. But as you're picking those out, let's say you find 2 or 3 this month that are really good deals. You may not be in a position to buy 2 or 3 this month, but the best one you'll cherry pick, and that's the one you'll buy. But what are you going to do with the others? Well, we want to monetize them. And by monetizing them, I mean you want to turn that into some kind of money for you, for the effort you've already put in. You've done all the work. You've negotiated a deal. And by passing that deal to somebody else and charging them a fee, it means it helps continue to bring an income in for you. And not only that, it will help your marketing, your lead generation to continue and build and grow, so you can continue to cherry pick the best possible deals, and the rest of those you monetize and bring in an income.